Easter was incredible. We celebrated the victory, the empty tomb, and the system reset. But now it's Monday morning. The adrenaline has faded, the holiday is over, and for many of you, you're looking at a reality that still feels like a mess. Maybe your bank account didn't miraculously fill up overnight. Maybe your business still feels like a pile of stones. Most people see rubble and get discouraged. A builder sees rubble and sees inventory. Today, we stop celebrating the victory and we start executing it. Welcome to day one of the Nehemiah Build. Nehemiah was a high-level official, but he didn't sugarcoat the situation. He looked at Jerusalem and said, "You see the distress that we are in." He didn't pivot to a positive vibes-only mindset. He looked at the burned gates and the broken stones and called it exactly what it was, a disaster. In 2026, we've got digital and spiritual rubble everywhere. If you want to scale your life to that 20K a month goal or fix your family legacy, you have to start by being brutally honest about what's broken. Stop pretending the wall is fine when it's laying in the dirt. You can't rebuild what you won't acknowledge. Nehemiah 2:18 tells us that once they recognized the hand of God, they said, "Let us rise up and build." The resurrection gave you the authority to build. Now you need the will to do it. Your good work this week isn't just more prayer, it's strengthening your hands. It's finally fixing that SEO, launching that project, or reclaiming the discipline you lost. In this new post-Easter reality, we don't work for victory, we work from victory. But make no mistake, we still work. We aren't just survivors of Friday, we are the builders of Monday. Grab your tools. It's time to put the first stone back in place. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found this video informative.